So here the question is find the perpendicular distance of the point 7 comma minus 2 7 comma minus 2 from the line 9x plus 17y, this one. So we know that perpendicular distance of the point x1 y1 from line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore the distance d equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. We know that x1 y1, that is nothing but 7 comma minus 2. So therefore, and AB is nothing but what is the AB? 9 comma 17. So therefore the D equal to, that is given, that is 9x1 plus 17y1 plus c by root of 9 square plus 17 square. So therefore we get that this is the modulus. Substitute x1 y1, that is equal to 7 comma minus 2. Therefore d equal to 9 into 7 plus 17 into minus 2 plus c, that is minus c, by root of 81 plus 289, that is 289. So therefore we get that 63 34 minus 13 by root 370. The D is equal to 16 by root 370. Here what is the actual concept? The concept is, this is a point x1 y1 and this is a line. We need to find this distance. This is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The distance from this point, this is a d. We need to find this one. That is a perpendicular distance of the point x1 y1 from the line ax plus by. What is the formula? The formula is d equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So just what is that given point? The given point is x1 y1 equal to 7 minus 2 and a comma b equal to 9 comma 17. So that is nothing but 9x1 plus 17y1 plus c is nothing but minus 13 by root of 9 square plus 17 square. So we simplify, we get that 16 by root 370. So what is the concept? The concept is the distance from point to the line, the perpendicular distance, this point. Okay, and the next one is the ninth one is evaluate limit theta tends to 0, sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta by 6 theta. So here the solution is, we need to first we find that sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta, that is sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. So this is a form is sin c plus sin d, sin c plus sin d. So what is the form of sin c plus sin d? What is the formula? That is nothing but 2 sin of c plus d by 2 and cos of c minus d by 2. Here c, what is c value? C value is equal to 4 theta and d value is equal to 2 theta. So we get that 2 into sin of 6 theta by 2 cos of 2 theta by 2. So therefore 2 into sin 3 theta into cos theta. So this is nothing but what this value is equal to sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. So whereas we need to find a limit theta tends to 0, sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta divided by 6 theta. So that is limit theta tends to 0, and this is sin to the, this is nothing but 2 sin 2 sin 3 theta into cos theta divided by 6 theta. 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar. Limit theta tends to 0, sin 3 theta by 3 theta into cos theta. We know that limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta. If it is same, theta is same, the value is equal to 1. Similarly here 3 theta same. So therefore it can be written as limit theta tends to 0, sin 3 theta by 3 theta into limit theta tends to 0, cos 3 theta. This value is equal to 1 into cos 0. We know that cos 0 value. What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 is nothing but 1. So therefore finally the answer is 1 into 1, we get a 1. So here the problem is limit theta tends to 0, sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta divided by 6 theta. So first the basic one is sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. This is the form is sin c plus sin d, sin c plus sin d. We written as sin c plus sin d. The formula for sin c plus sin d, that is nothing but 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. C equal to 4 theta and d equal to 2 theta. Just we substitute this. This is nothing but 2 sin 4 theta plus 2 theta, 6 theta by 2 and cos 2 theta by 2. This we get the cos, say 2 sin 3 theta into cos theta. So this is a value. The given question is this one. Just we substitute and we simplify 2 1 jar, 2 3 jars. So finally we get sin 3 theta by 3 theta into cos theta. Sin theta by theta is nothing but a 1. So separate the two limits. Limit theta tends to 0, sin 3 theta by 3 theta into limit theta tends to 0, cos theta. It's nothing but a 1 into cos 0. Cos 0 is nothing but what is the value? The value is equal to 1. And the next question is the 10th question is find the derivative of that is 10th one is Find the derivative of x power 8 cot x with respect to x, with respect to x. So therefore this is y is equal to x power 8 into cot x. So this is a u, this is a function of x, and this is a function of x. What is the form? The form is equal to u into v. U is equal to x power 8 and v equal to cot x. So we do that du by dx. Du by dx nothing but x power n, nothing but n into x to the power of n minus 1, and dv by dx nothing but d by dx of cot x. Cot x is nothing but a minus cosecant square x taken as 1. Here what are the formulas are needed? The basic one is d by dx of x power n, nothing but n into x to the power of n minus 1, and directly it is a formula. D by dx of cot x is nothing but a minus cosecant square x. So therefore, and we written as y equal to u into v, that is nothing but dy by dx, that is d by dx of u into v. So the formula for u into v, what is the formula? U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx taken as 2. Substitute 1 2. Therefore dy by dx is equal to u, that is nothing but x power 8 into dv by dx. Substitute that u into d by dx of v. What is the v? Cot x plus cot x into d by dx of x power 8. So we get that x power 8 into d by dx of cot x, nothing but a minus cosecant square x plus cot x into 8 into x to the power of 7. So finally we get that minus x power 8 into cosecant square x plus 8 into cot x into x power 7. So here the question is differentiate x power 8 into cot x with respect to x. So for that, first we can observe that this is a u into v form. This is a function of x and this two functions are involved. One is x power 8, another one is cot x. For u, x power 8 and v equal to cot x. So find the du by dx, nothing but 8 into x to the power of 7. What is the basic formula needed? N into x to the power of n minus 1. And v nothing but a cot x, and differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x, and we written as dy by dx, nothing but u into du by dx plus v into du by dx. Substitute the values and we simplify, we get that minus x power 8 into cosecant square x plus 8 into cot x into x power 7. Okay, this is equal to dy by dx. This is equal to dy by dx. Okay. So up to this, small questions will be completed.